Humpty Dumpty had a great plan to fill his cart as fast as he can. Milk and eggs, bread and cheese, fruits and veggies. Yes, please! Roll, roll, roll your cart. Pick your items, that's the start. Left and right, up and down. Shopping fun all over town. Humpty roll down aisle 3, knocked some apples. 1, 2, 3. He picked them up and gave a smile and danced around the floor in style. Humpty found the cookie stand, chocolate chips, oh so grand. He reached too high, he reached too low, and made the cookie tower go. Whoa! Roll, roll, roll your cart. Pick your items, that's the start. Left and right, up and down. Shopping fun all over town. His cart went zoom, his cart went fast. Oops, he almost didn't last. He swerved left, he swerved right. Hold on tight, it's quite a sight. Humpty stopped by Candyland, lollipops in every hand. One is red, one is blue. Which one should Humpty chew? Oh no, Humpty's on the run. He slipped on eggs, this isn't fun. Eggs went crack, splish and splash. What a silly grocery crash. Roll, roll, roll your cart. Pick your items, that's the start. Left and right, up and down. Shopping fun all over town. Humpty lined up, oh so proud, with a cart that's full and loud. Beep, beep, the scanner sings. Ding, ding, the register rings. Milk in bags, eggs in a box, cereal stacked up just like blocks. Carrots, beans, and lots of peas, all packed up with so much ease. Shopping done, now time to go. Off to Humpty's house we roll. With a smile he waves goodbye. See you next time, shopping guy. Roll, roll, roll your cart. Shopping time was such a spark.